Okay, now that the clay has been mixed, we're going to test it. So we're going to turn it off. We're going to open it up. Remember, we don't want to stick our hands in there in case for any reason it decides to kick back at us. So we'll grab something, scoop a little out, and test it. It should be able to be held in your hand. It shouldn't be dry and cracky. It should feel warm because the machine mixes and it adds the friction and the heat. So you don't want it wet like this, and you don't want it super dry, but this is a good consistency. So once you have it the consistency you like, you don't have to add any more water. The machine is full. We're going to close it back up. Again, 2 hands is helpful. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to turn this vacuum switch on. We come over here, we flip this switch closed. You should notice the needle going up. We can take this cover off, and then I'm going to switch this flip it to forward. Sometimes the needle bounces for a little while, but when it's good, it should come all the way up over here before it starts pugging. You will notice sometimes the clay sucks back in there like this. It's trying to get all the air out. That's because I was trying to clean this out with the machine earlier. But then it'll come pushing forward. I could leave this on there to help take that air out a little bit for a little while. Too much comes out, this will start sucking forward. So I'm going to take this off. Notice that's going up, and the clay is starting to push its way forward out of the machine. This first section I'm going to cut off, and we always keep a wire cutter handy. So I'll cut some off to get rid of all this stuff here. We'll recycle it in this bucket, and then I'll do the next batch.